Alright, so this is today's project. The handles came in. Nowhere to catch up. This is basically so I could drill the holes properly. Yeah, so all these handles. Got more coming or whatever, but those are the ones I ride right now. I'm gonna put those right here. And then today's project, we're gonna move this finally. So I know if I'm gonna remove all the tape after too, so it's time to get this tape out of here. Alright, so that's today's project. So hopefully everything goes good. So it doesn't break or anything like that. So let's see. Wishing me luck. ¿Estás pronto para terminar hoje? Vamos a terminar. Alright, so here we are. Basically, we removed the mirror. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Yeah, we're going to paint this wall. And basically, because we removed the mirror or whatever. And then basically we're going to put all the handles on everything. So yeah, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Alright, you got him drilling. We got the left side all done. What estás a fazer ali? Está quase acabado?
Aqui está.
Okay.
Está marcado, não posso mudar.
Está marcado. Okay. Quando estamos acabado, depois eu mostro no vídeo tudo que fizemos hoje. Alright, here's the results at this point. Alright, blessed. Oh shit. Alright. So, yeah, the handles finally on them. So I gotta order more for over there and there. I'm at this point right now. I'm gonna paint this to match the refrigerator. I'm gonna paint that as well. I gotta put that back. Let's move the globe. Don't mind the tape. I gotta do some stuff over there. I gotta order 2 more for over there. And then, don't mind the tape either because I gotta glue it. And then basically, but at this point we got it, cut the size. And then, I don't know if you noticed when you walked in, the mirror is gone. Painted that again. And then, chamado? Tá chamado outra vez? We finally did it. And we had. So what do you expect? I trust me. I deal with this. It's the mesma coisa. Trust me. Yeah, I know. Me too. I deal with that shit too.
Yeah.
All right, and that's it. We did the mirror. I'm sweaty right now, so basically, I'm gonna put myself in the mirror. But yeah, I didn't do it on Facebook Live. But yeah, Christina, if you see this, yeah, I love you. It is what it is. Trying to go out to dinner. Let me know.
O homem já deu a essa direção.
Bom dia, boa noite, boa tarde. Adiós.